Hi, I'm teacher Geoffrey. I'm going to take you through some of the questions on probability. Question number 1. A bag contains 6 red balls and 4 white balls. 2 balls are picked from the bag at random without replacement. Then part A, draw a tree diagram to represent the above information. So we are going to use a tree diagram to represent the given information. First thing you have to do is to find the total number of balls inside that bag. And inside that bag, we have 6 red balls and 4 white balls. So the total number of balls in that bag is 6 plus 4, and that is equivalent to 10. So that bag contains 10 balls. Therefore, in the first picking, the probability of picking the red balls is the total number of balls of the red balls in that bag over the total number of balls. And the number of red balls in that bag, they are 6 over the total 10. So the probability of picking the red balls in the first picking is 6 over 10. Then we have 4 balls in that bag, and the total number of balls they are 10. Therefore, the probability of picking the white balls is 4 over 10. In second picking, if we pick the red ball, it means that the number of red balls in that bag reduced from 6 to 5, and the total number of the balls also reduced from 10 to 9. Therefore, the probability of picking the red ball is 5 over 9. In that case, we never pick the white ball. Therefore, the number of balls which are white remains to be 4 over total number over 9 is 9. Then, if we pick the white ball, it means that the number of white balls reduced from 4 to 3, and therefore the probability of picking the white ball in the second picking is 3 over 9. Then, having that tree diagram now representation, now we write the outcome. So outcomes, we have red red, we have red white, we have white red, and also white white. Question number B. Calculate the probability that is Roman 1, both balls are white. So we need to find the probability where we have only white balls. And from our outcome, you can see that white white, then you follow that chain so that you can find the probability. Therefore, the probability of white white is given by 4 over 10 times 3 over 9, following that chain of white white. And that now gives us 12 over 90 by 6/2 by 6/15. Therefore, the probability of picking white balls is 2 over 15. The next question, both balls are of the same colors, so we need to find the probability where the balls are of the same color. From the outcome, we have only red red and white white. Those are now the balls with the same color. So we need to find the probability of picking red red or probability of picking white white. And or in probability means plus. Therefore, it is the probability of red red plus the probability of white white. Therefore, it is 6 over 10 times 5 over 9, following that the chain of red red, then plus. Now if we follow the chain of white white, we have 4 over 10 times 3 over 9, and that gives us 30 over 90 plus 12 over 90, and that is equivalent to 42 over 90. Then by 6, 7 by 6, 15. Therefore, the probability of picking the balls of the same color is 7 over 15. Question Roman 3. Both balls are of the same colors. So we need to find the probability that both balls are of different colors. Both balls are of different colors. So in Roman 2, we find the probability of picking the ball of the same color. So number one, because we have the probability of ball of the same color, the total probability of the maximum is 1. Therefore, 1 minus the probability of the same color will give us now the probability of different color. And that is 1 minus 7 over 15 is going to give us 8 over 15. Also, we can find the probability of picking red, white, or white, red, because those are now the outcomes which have different colors. And from red, white, we have 6 over 10 times 4 over 9, then plus 4 over 10 times 6 over 9. And that is equivalent to 24 over 90 plus 24 over 90, and that is equivalent to 48 over 90 by 6, 8 by 6, 15. Therefore, you can see that the both probability are the same, 8 over 15. So you can choose either method you feel is good for you. The last question, at least a red ball is picked. So in that case, we are going now to find the probability where the outcome we have at least one or more red balls. So from our outcomes, we have red, red, we have red, white, and we have white, red. So we are going to find the probability of red, red, or red, white, or white, red. And I said that under probability, or means plus. So it is the probability of red, red, plus probability of red, white, plus probability of white, red. Therefore, the probability of red, red is given by 6 over 10 times 5 over 9. Then plus the probability of red, white, it is 6 over 10 times 4 over 90. Then plus the probability of white, red is 4 over 10 times 6 over 9. 6 over 9. That is it. The first one gives us 30 over 90, plus the second one 24 over 90, plus the third one 24 over 90, and that is equivalent to 78 over 90, and by 326 by 390, by 213 by 215. So it is 13 over 15. Or we can also find the probability of white, white. Then we take now the maximum probability among the larger probability, that is 1 minus the probability of white, white. Then we get the rest. Therefore, we can also get that probability by 1 minus the probability of white, white. And probability of white, white, it is 4, is given by 4 over 10 times 3 over 9. And that is equivalent to 12 over 90. Then 1 minus 12 over 90 is equivalent to 78 over 90, and that is as the same as 13 over 15 in simplest form. So that is how we can tackle some of the question on probability. So it's my hope that you have understood something, and if there is also the challenge, you can drop your comment, then I check on them, then I work on them. For now, have a nice day. Bye.